Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simple Home Decor. Are you looking to transform your space with a sleek and modern design? In this video, we will show you the ultimate guide to false ceilings. From basics to advanced installation techniques, we will cover it all. A false ceiling, also known as a dropped ceiling or suspended ceiling, is a secondary ceiling installed below the main ceiling of a room. False ceilings have been used for decades in various types of buildings, including residential, commercial, and industrial spaces. The first benefits of false ceilings is aesthetics. False ceilings can enhance the appearance of the room by providing a smooth, even surface. They can also be used to create a variety of design effects such as concealing unsightly pipes or ductwork. Second benefit is acoustics. False ceilings can improve the acoustics of a room by reducing echo and reverberation. This is particularly important in spaces such as auditoriums, conference rooms, and recording studios. False ceilings can be used to conceal unsightly features such as pipes, ductwork, and wiring. This can create a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. False ceilings can provide easy access to plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. This can make maintenance and repairs easier and more efficient. False ceilings are commonly used in commercial spaces such as offices, retail stores, and restaurants. They can help create a professional, welcoming atmosphere. False ceilings can be used in residential spaces such as living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens. They can help create a cozy, intimate atmosphere. False ceilings can be used in theaters and auditoriums to improve acoustics and create a more immersive experience. It can help reduce noise levels, making them ideal for homes, offices, and other spaces where quiet is essential. They can be designed to fit any space, providing endless possibilities for creativity and customization. Here are some common types of false ceilings. Grid ceiling consists of a grid of tiles or panels suspended from the main ceiling. A modular ceiling consists of interlocking modules or panels that can be easily installed and removed. A gypsum ceiling is a type of false ceiling that uses gypsum boards to create a smooth surface. A plywood ceiling of false ceiling is that uses plywood boards to create a smooth surface. False ceilings can provide a smooth surface for installing light fixtures, improving the overall lighting of a room. It can enhance safety by providing a barrier between the ceiling and the occupants of the room, reducing the risk of injury from falling objects. They also help to reduce dust accumulation by providing a smooth surface that is easy to clean. They are relatively easy to install, making them a convenient option for homeowners and businesses. False ceilings can increase property value by providing a modern, sleek appearance. They can also provide a fire resistance, helping to prevent the spread of flames in the event of fire. Plaster of Paris (POP) is a mixture of gypsum, water and other additives. It's often used for false ceiling due to its fire-resistant properties, ease of installation and ability to be molded into various shapes. False ceilings offer a range of benefits and applications, from aesthetic and acoustics to energy efficiency and concealment. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.